It is important to use the unit only as prescribed by a licensed healthcare professional. Welcome to today's video on the Bragg Polar Care Cube. When you're ready to use the Polar Care Cube, you'll first remove the lid. With the lid removed, you can place water up to the lower line and ice the rest of the way up to fill the bucket. You can then place the lid back on the cube and push down snug. You can apply the pad by pressing one hose into the other until both silver buttons have popped up. That should fit snug and shouldn't come undone unless it's pressed down. You can then place the lid in the locked position. When you're ready to use the pad, you can undo both Velcro strips and apply to the front of the knee. You can then wrap both straps around the knee until snug. Once the pad is attached, you can then plug the unit in. When you're ready to complete your session, you can unplug the unit from the wall and remove the pad. Do so by undoing both Velcro strips. You can then hold the pad itself above the unit and squeeze water out so that it all drains back into the cube. The pad can then be removed from the other hose by pressing down both silver buttons and pulling away. Here are some tips for success with your Polar Care unit. It is common for there to be condensation both on the hose and the wrap of your unit, especially in warmer climate. You can insulate these as necessary to prevent the condensation. It is important to notice if your hose is kinked because this can decrease the water that's moving to the wrap. Be sure that there are no kinks in your hose while using the unit. Be sure that your power supply is completely connected to both the unit and in the wall. This will ensure that there's no injuries while using the unit. It is important to inspect your skin often while using the Polar Care unit. If there is any adverse reaction to the unit, stop using immediately. In order to have the best water flow while using your unit, it is important to keep it raised on either a side table or bench above the area that's being treated. Thank you for watching today's Pandex video. For more information, visit gopandex.com.